ikalimang araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte, mainit agad ang naging debate sa impeachment court. Sa tanong naman kay Lotto kaugnay sa existence ng utterances, naging mainit din ang palitan sa panig ng prosekusyon.
Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil ha. Hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said, yes.
Binigyan diin ni Lotto na mula sa pananaw ng law enforcement, ito ay nakakaalarma.
Objection.
Yes, sir.
That is a foul side remark.
She said
The
I wasn't
counsel
the one
is
who said it,
twisting
Your Honor.
the answer of the witness. If I may, can I
was the one who
finish?
said yes.
Can I finish?
Kaugnay naman sa usapin kung maaari ba itong gamiting depensa bilang freedom of speech.
Based on the surrounding facts and circumstances, and then we conclude that indeed nag-violate ho ang ating Vice Presidente.
Ang tanong ko ngayon kay Mr. Witness, matatandang pa ba kung ano yung sinabi ni Mayor Baste Duterte patungkol dun sa Romanov that night?
Mr. President, sabi niya, remember what happened to the Romanovs. If I'm not mistaken, sir, parang ang sinasabi niya, kasi mayroong...
No, I think when you go to bed tonight, continue.
Yes, sir, yan. Sabi ko yan.
Okay.
When you go to bed tonight, think about the Romanovs. Yung po yata yung pagkasabi. Parang sinasabi niya na baka mangyari sa pamilya niyo yon gaya ng nangyari sa inyo noong 1996.
Inilabas ang video ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at video ng pangalawang Pangulo kung saan inulit niya ang pagbabanta sa miyembro ng unang pamilya.
By a media person, if I know of these plans, if you can say the word, if that is the correct word to use here, plans. So, I answered. I was asked, Romanov, and then I answered, I was told by two people, this is the first time I've heard of Romanov, so that is the third already. And I said, don't worry about my security. If they kill me, if I die, kapag pinatay ako, or kapag namatay ako, in the context of don't worry about my security. So this means pinatay ka. Diba? Kasi hindi ka naman mamamatay by heart attack.
Nakakabahala ang mga pahayag na narinig natin nitong mga nakarang araw. Nandyan ang walang pakundangang pagmumura at ang pagbabanta ng planong ipapatay ang ilan saat. Kadali ang pagplano sa pagpatay ng isang presidente. Paano pa kaya ang mga pangkaraniwan na mamamayan? Yang ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Yan ay aking papalagan.
Samantala, inanunsyo ng prosecution na hindi na nila ihaharap bilang testigo sina Attorney Zuleika Lopez at Captain Belinda Bello. Ayon kay Attorney Lorna Kapunan, hindi na nila kailangan ipakumpirma kay Lopez ang video kung saan nagbanta umano si Vice President Sara Duterte dahil ginamit na ito ng depensa sa kanilang presentasyon.
Today we are supposed to hear a subpoenaed witness, Attorney Zuleika Lopez. And after her, another witness subpoenaed or called to appear here, Captain Belinda Bello. After hearing the two competent and credible witnesses, not expert witness, but through their credentials showed that they were competent to testify on the matters that they were asked to authenticate. After evaluating through these two witnesses, we find it totally unnecessary, redundant, and a surplusage to still present Attorney Zulaika Lopez, and as well Captain Belinda Bello.
Bukas, inaasahang mareresolba na ang isyu kung bubuksan ang BIR box. Sasalang sa oral arguments ang dalawang panig bago desisyonan ng impeachment court.